Our topic today is weather. The student objective is that the student is expected to observe, measure, record, and compare day-to-day weather changes in different locations at the same time that include air temperature, wind direction, and precipitation.
CMS Scholars, Ms. Robinette here. Let's get together and talk about weather.
Weather conditions can vary and change from day to day. The sun heats the earth unevenly, which causes different weather conditions at different locations at the same time. For example, a warm, humid air mass can bring rain to one area, while a colder, drier air mass might bring sunny weather to a city 50 miles away. Wind shifts from one area to the next so that weather changes daily. We can use tools such as rain gauges, wind vanes, and thermometers to gather weather information. The amount of rainfall is measured by a rain gauge, read in hundredths of an inch. The water level is read at the bottom of the meniscus, curved surface of water in a tube. Most rain gauges have numbers divided into tenths of inches. If the rain gauge is filled to the 0.5 line, that means that half of 1 inch of rain has fallen. Larger lines are inches, so if the line reads 0.5 above the 1 inch line, then 1.5 inches of rain has fallen. Wind vanes show wind direction. Wind is caused by differences in air pressure. Cold air is heavier than hot air. A lot of cool air will create an area of high pressure. A lot of hot air will create an area of low pressure. Air moves from high pressure area to a low pressure area. This creates wind. The larger the difference in temperature between the two areas of pressure, the faster the wind will blow. The rotation of the earth also causes the air masses to move from west to east. Meteorologists use anemometers made of spinning cups to record wind speed. Temperature is measured with a Celsius or Fahrenheit thermometer. Although Celsius temperature is used in the lab, traditionally Fahrenheit temperature is reported on weather maps in the United States. We can use charts, tables, and graphs for recording and comparing weather data. Students have used a chart and table in class-made wind vanes to measure and record the wind direction over the course of several days. You also recorded precipitation and temperature. You were asked to compare the weather changes over a period of 5 days. This week, your assignment was an at-home exploration of a weather graph. You would use the data provided on Google Classroom to create a bar graph of the high temperatures recorded for each day. I can't wait to see what you come up with.